Pedro Sanchez told a news conference, "We're living in an extreme situation. It's the most serious health crisis in the last century." The new measures came into force last night. In some cases, travel between regions has been banned. Spain imposed one of the toughest lockdowns early on in the pandemic and then relaxed curbs over the summer. But like other European countries, it has suffered a second wave and now has one of the highest infection rates in Western Europe. Reuters reports that the death toll in Spain is nearing 35,000. The state of emergency will need parliamentary approval to last beyond 15 days. Pedro Sanchez asked for Parliament to approve its extension up to the 9th of May. The decree will serve as a legal framework to implement a new warning system of levels, similar to the ones already applied in countries such as Germany and France. According to the level of risk, travelling between regions could be banned if a region decides, except for justified reasons such as working. Movement could also be restricted within regions in localized lockdowns. The perimeter around Granada, including its metropolitan area taking in 32 municipalities, has now been closed off. Bars in Seville, Jaén and Córdoba must close at 10 p.m. Most of the regions are already above the parameters to be considered at the highest level of risk. It's been a bad week for Andalusia, with 1,970 COVID-19 positive cases in their hospitals and a total of 249 people in critical care. According to El Mundo, that's a 51% increase on Andalusian hospitalizations in the past week. Should the rate of hospitalizations continue to increase in Andalusia for the next week, there would be more people in Andalusian hospitals in 7 days' time than there were at the peak of the first wave in late March.